Good afternoon, everyone. It is July the 9th here at KIT Iizuka, third period for English A2. This video will be a little longer than usual because I have to talk a bit more about the test. So let's get to it. Let's see. You don't have so much for your assignments this week. The vocabulary study we'll do this week, we'll do after we get through all of the information for the test. So that leaves you basically with the grammar quiz, the second grammar quiz, very similar to the first grammar quiz. That will be due on the 19th of July. So basically, 10 days from now? Now, this one is the partner name and student submission. This will be part of what we'll be doing today to get ready for the test. So that's not going to be any kind of real work at all. And neither is this. This is the semester feedback that I want from you. You always have a survey. In Japanese, you call it an anketo about your classes. And this one will be no different, talking about the teacher, talking about the class. But this one is not from the school. This one is from me. And I want you to speak very honestly. So I didn't put in a way for me to check who is writing what. I don't know whose name is connected to these answers. So you can be very honest. And I basically only want you to tell me what you liked about the class and what you didn't like. And it's always very nice for me to hear, oh, I liked this about Mr. Cruz's class. Oh, I enjoyed this about Mr. Cruz's class. But it helps me a lot to hear what you did not like. You want me to change. So there are only two questions. What you liked about the class, what you did not like about the class. And I often get good ideas on how to change the class from the things you told me you didn't like. So please be honest. You can write in Japanese, and I think you have until the end of the month for this one. Let me see here. Yeah, until the 27th to hand me that in. Okay, your reflection. Sorry, your reflection is on anti-fragility. It's an interesting video, I think. So take a look at the video, write your answers, send your answers up to Moodle. Okay. Now, I want to just take a minute here to talk about this. This is the form that I'm going to pass out to everyone right now. And I don't have enough for everyone, so this is just for you to look at. Don't write anything. This is just for you to look at and share with everybody. So everybody take one here. You can, I don't know, you guys can take one there, maybe. Anybody else didn't sign? Everybody's okay. Anybody? Okay. Okay, can you pass that up to her? Thank you. And I want to talk about this a little bit. Maybe you guys can share one for yourselves there. And you guys have one? No? Okay. There's one. And I have one more. So here. Okay. So I'm going to be talking about this a little bit later in Japanese to completely explain it to you, but I wanted to do it in English in case somebody actually needs the information from the video. So this is the conversation test assessment form that I'll use during the test. There are 4 categories in it, 25 points each. So 4 times 25, it's 100 points. This is the number that you'll have for the first group to go. And the most important thing is that when you come to the test, you sign your names. So this will be where you sign your names. You sign your names on a signing sheet, and you sign your names for the test. Otherwise, I'll explain the rest of this after we get back to talking about it in Japanese. Otherwise, if you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come talk to me in class. Okay? So let's talk about the test, everyone. Thanks very much, and have a good class.